In the depths of a distant galaxy lay a realm devoid of stars, a celestial anomaly known as the Starless Realm. Within this enigmatic expanse, a vibrant civilization thrived, harnessing unique forms of energy and creating a mesmerizing world beneath the cosmic veil. Among the inhabitants of this realm was Lyria, a young astronomer with an insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. She had long studied the mysteries of the Starless Realm tirelessly, reaching ancient texts and artifacts to unravel its enigma. Lyra believed that somewhere in the depths of the darkness there existed the key to understanding the absence of stars. Guiding the words of an ancient prophecy, Lyra embarked on an interstellar voyage, seeking to uncover the truth hidden within the void. She navigated through space, encountering celestial wonders and facing challenges that tested her resolve. Her journey led her to an ancient temple, the fabled temple of luminous whispers. Inside, she discovered an ancient mural depicting the birth of the Starless Realm, a cataclysmic event that had extinguished the stars but had birthed a new form of energy unknown to their civilization. This energy held the potential to illuminate their realm in a different way, promising a future that embraced the beauty of darkness. Armed with this revelation, Lyra returned to her people, sharing the ancient knowledge she had uncovered. Together, they harnessed the newfound energy, transforming their realm into a place of mesmerizing radiance. The prophecy had come true. The starless realm was no longer defined by its lack of stars, but by the unique brilliance that no filled its expanse. The Chronicles of the Starless Realm continued to be written, a tale of adaptation and transformation, a reminder that even in the absence of what was expected, beauty and light could be found in the most unexpected of places.